pinpoint this moment where it's not just like square like that, because it's very easy to like slip out of it, but you really want to be like on one side. So it's a squished square or parallelogram.
Good. We have a geometry wizard.
It's very catchable and redirectable. Then we also talked about how you really don't want to run around each other. So we had the
corridor can't be there. It's nowhere. Then we talked about some flow and the connection within that flow. Have a circle into a second. Okay.
Straight back.
Good.
Versus an opening kind of a
To a top turn.
Yeah.
Open and attack. There we go.
And then that very similar rock step.
We turn into a roll. Okay. Open and a zip. We said we show those turning exercises for the followers. Can you show them
Yeah.
the 6 down footwork?
Yeah, the one, so just practice your triple step turns. There's a triple step turn there. They don't come easy, you just need to do them a bunch. So something like this helps. Well, the one that you were doing is like boom, boom,